Melisa's first Thanksgiving Day in New York. Melisa studies at a university in New York. She came from Ukraine, and this is her first year in the USA. Everything is new for her. The people, the city, the food, even the sounds and smells. New York is big, noisy, and bright. But Melisa already feels a little bit at home here. It is late autumn. There are many yellow and orange leaves on the streets. The air is fresh and cool. In the stores, there are big pumpkins and holiday decorations. The country is getting ready for Thanksgiving Day. The atmosphere of the holiday is everywhere. In the subway, in cafes, in shop windows, people carry big bags of groceries and buy turkeys and sweets. In Ukraine, Melisa never celebrated Thanksgiving because it is an American holiday. But here it is a very important event. People come together with their families, say thank you for good things, and share warmth. Melisa wants to understand this day and feel it for real. Her new friend Emma invited her to her home. "Come and join us for dinner," Emma said with a smile. Melisa felt happy and a little shy. This was her first invitation to an American family. She bought small gifts, a box of chocolate candies, and a cinnamon-scented candle. When Melisa arrived, Emma's house was warm and very cozy. A wonderful smell came from the kitchen. Turkey, vegetables, spices. Soft music was playing. Holiday garlands hung on the walls. Emma's family opened the door. They were all smiling and hugged her. "Welcome, Melisa," they said. Melisa immediately felt like a welcome guest. In the living room, there was a big table. There were already dishes on it: golden roasted turkey, mashed potatoes, green beans, cranberry salad, gravy, sweet corn, pumpkin pie, apple pie, and small rolls. Everything looked so beautiful, like in a picture. Melisa helped set the table. She placed plates, forks, and napkins. She liked being part of the preparations. Before dinner, everyone gathered around the table and held hands. It was quiet and warm. One by one, they said what they were thankful for this year. Emma said, "I am thankful for my family and friends." Emma's brother said,
I am thankful for my school friends.
Emma's mother said,
I am thankful for peace and for all of us being together today.
Melisa thought for a moment. Her voice was soft but confident. "I am thankful for this new life, for the chance to study, and for kind people like you." Everyone smiled warmly after her words. Melisa felt something gentle and bright inside her heart. Dinner was wonderful. Melisa tried cranberry sauce for the first time. It was sweet and sour and very tasty. The mashed potatoes were soft and the turkey was juicy. She also tried baked pumpkin casserole, something completely new for her. After the main dishes, dessert arrived. Emma gave Melisa a big piece of pumpkin pie with whipped cream. Melisa took a small bite and immediately smiled. "This is so delicious," she said. Everyone laughed. After dinner, the family played board games, talked, and laughed a lot. Emma's grandmother told old family stories, and Melisa listened carefully, even though some words were still difficult for her. but she understood the most important thing: the warmth and love of this family. Later, Melisa went to the window. The night sky was dark and calm, full of tiny stars. She thought about her home in Ukraine, about her parents and friends. She felt a little sad, but also peaceful. She felt a connection to this place, to these people. She no longer felt alone. Melisa smiled. She understood that Thanksgiving is not just about dinner, turkey, and pies. It is about being together, supporting each other, and saying, "Thank you." And thank you is a very strong word. It makes people closer. It brings peace. This Thanksgiving, Melissa felt something special. She was happy to spend time with her friend's family. She felt love, joy, and gratitude. It was a wonderful, warm, and unforgettable evening. Her first real Thanksgiving in America. Useful vocabulary. Noisy, very loud, full of sounds. The street is very noisy in the morning. Decoration, something used to make a place look beautiful. There are many autumn decorations in the shop window. To carry something. To hold something and move with it. She carries a big bag to school. Important. Something that matters a lot. Family is very important on Thanksgiving Day. Invite. To ask someone to come. Emma invites Melisa to her home. Join. To take part in something with other people. Melisa joins the family for dinner. Arrive. To come to a place. Melisa arrives at Emma's house at 6 p.m. Gather. To come together in one place. The family gathers around the table. Confident, sure about yourself, feeling strong and positive. Melisa feels confident when she speaks English. Sour, having a sharp, acidic taste. The cranberry sauce tastes a little sour. Connection, a feeling of being linked to someone or something. Melisa feels a connection to her new friends. Support, help, or care you give to someone. Her friends support her when she feels shy. Did you like this short story? Tell me in the comments. Also subscribe to my channel for more stories about Melisa. Thanks for watching.